Hey, what's up guys? It is Drew Kimball from Braintrust Creative, and we are here to unbox our new Mac Pro tower. It's actually down here. It came in this giant, enormous box that weighs over 70 pounds. In typical Apple fashion, there's no just tape on it. I think there's like some kind of zipper. Oh, so it's like another box inside the phone of a big shipping box. Oh, it's like a Velcro strap. It's it feels heavy. There's a little box here. Oh, keyboard here. And it's like a mouse. The Mac Pro itself, it's all like sterilized. Ooh, that's still heavy though. That's not light at all. Yeah. Take its clothes off. Got it. Front still got like a layer of plastic on it, so I guess we'll peel that. So we've got powers on the bottom this time. Ethernet is down low. They've moved the standard I/O card. That's a card with 2 Thunderbolt audio and USB 3 up here to this top slot as opposed to down. And then we got ours built with 2 of the Vega 2 cards. Not the Vega 2 Duo, which is super confusing, but 2 of the cards because we wanted more ports to be able to do more displays. So if you do it in this configuration, you can get up to 12 4K displays. So since we're gonna use this as a media server, we wanted as much slamming power as possible. All right, that's pretty much it. We're gonna get it set up and do some testing, check it out, see how it works, and see what we can break. So we'll check back in with you guys when we figure it out.